wonderful friends, and welcome back. My name is Alexis Barber. I'm 22. I live in Brooklyn and I work full-time in big tech. I make content all about fashion, finances, life here in New York City, so definitely subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more. But today I am giving you an updated apartment tour. So I filmed an apartment tour back in like May with Refinery 29 on Sweet Digs, and I loved my episode. I had such a great time, but as I've lived here for longer, it'll be a year in a few weeks. Added some pieces to just make it a little bit more functional for me. I am in the process of debating whether I'm gonna stay here for another year. My lease ends in February, so we will see, but I wanted to give you an updated tour and show you some of the things that I found that are really working for my lifestyle. So let's get into it. So when you first walk into the apartment, this is the door. This is like the little phone that I have to call downstairs. And I got these cute little things from Nordstrom Rack. More Christmas content is coming. This print is from Society 6. And then in here is my kitchen. And it was really important to me to have a separate kitchen because I knew that I was gonna have a studio and I didn't want the smell of the food to be as prominent in the rest of the building or the rest of the room. So this is the kitchen. I love it. I have full-size appliances of everything. All of my little top appliances are relatively new. They've been here for a few months and I got them all on Amazon. So all will be linked down below. This is my Our Place pan. I still have my Caraway home pans down there. I love them. They just don't match this one, so I leave this one out. And then in here, I just have a ton of storage up here, especially, these are like not even full, which is really nice. Quick peek in my fridge, disaster. My coffee. Then I recently got this cookbook from my friend Tracy Joe's that is all 5 ingredient Trader Joe's meals that take under 30 minutes or something to make. So I have that out because it's really cute. Now we're in the entryway. So this mirror is from World Market. It's a dupe of a CB2 one. And I added this very big piece here to increase my storage because I needed a lot more storage. And you might remember I had just a little console table here before, so this is really helpful. I got this in Mexico City and it just holds all of my masks and things that I grab on the way out. I also got this cutie in Mexico City, and then this is from a candle from Target. Very cute. And then to peek in here, basically I have all my bags and stuff, and then down in this drawer I have candles and mail. Then over here, of course, we have washer dryer in unit, and something that I added was this little hook here. So the stuff that I wear the most often, like my hoodie, my little Prada, and my Super Puff go here because like when I come home I don't need to like hang them all the way up, you know? Laundry stuff, and then random stuff through here. And this is the main living space. So you'll see that I've kept a lot of things, but I've also upgraded a lot of things, and I'm just really happy with how it turned out. So let's start on this side. This is my bed area, has stayed pretty much the same. I got new bedding. Unfortunately, it looks really wrinkled right now, so sad, but I also got new nightstands. These are from West Elm. I love them so much. That lamp is a Hatch lamp and it has like sunlight, red light, all that stuff. It's so nice. I swapped my headboard for a white one, kept the art, but I am thinking of changing it to something blue. I've been obsessed with blue ever since I went to Mexico City, but we shall see. I'll quickly show you my closet. So in here, I just have all the clothes I wear the most on this side, with my shoes down below and my laundry basket that fits perfectly. All the stuff on this side is stuff I don't wear too often, with the exception of like where I can reach, because one thing is I can't open it all the way, lol. So then down there's a dresser with stuff too. Like, there is so much storage in here. This is my little office area. So on this bedside table, I have a ton of stuff. The books I'm currently reading, my charging station, I put my Rihanna book, all that. And then I also got these cute little bookshelves from Amazon and put them up with the books I'm reading and stuff. You'll know I got rid of the other bookshelf in here. And then this is my desk, which is also an upgrade. I got a new desk chair, which is from CB2, and a new desk that's also from CB2. And so this is it. I have this on the ledge because I get more desk space that way, which I don't really mind, of course, but I do love this desk. It's gorgeous. I think I can take it with me anywhere, so I'm happy with it. And this is the little office space. Next to the office space, we have my bar cart. I got this from Urban Outfitters. I think it's gorgeous. It's so cute. Have all my stuff on there. These are my favorite glasses. They are from CB2. So cute. I make margs in them. And then this is another Target candle and my YSL book. And then we have the living area. So let's start over here. I got this mirror from Etsy. I wanted something funky and then something that was gold to tie in the gold accents. And that goes above my little bistro table. And this is the same, it's from World Market, and these are from Walmart. This is my work bag, it's from Kayana, it's amazing. I'm about to leave for work now. And then this is a new lamp. My pampas grass is supposed to cover that, but whatever. And my dresser and TV. I got my TV mounted, so I can't reorganize every 5 minutes again, but it's really nice to have it mounted, and I feel like it really elevates the space. And then I just have a lot more storage here, which is really nice. And I also got the little drawer dividers from IKEA, and it's been great to stay organized. This is just all my little magazines, and over here, these flowers my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day. These gorgeous little tray with my perfumes, and my IKEA mirror. Everybody has this mirror. And my couch. My couch is from World Market. I love it so much. It's so comfortable. The only thing is you need to fluff it a lot. So I've had it for like 8 months now. I just fluff it like every week and switch out the pillows. But anytime I spill on it, I just use OxiClean and it comes right out. This is a Barefoot Dreams blanket. It's so soft. They're definitely worth the money. I got this at Nordstrom Rack for 50% off though, so check them out. And then these pillows are vintage. They're from a vintage shop on Atlantic here in Brooklyn. And then I always get questions about my rug and my coffee table. Both are linked from Home Depot and Amazon. And then I have this little diptyque candle. I love vanilla, and I always have fresh roses in my apartment. I'll also give you a sneak into the storage in here. So tons of boxes, tons of stuff in here. I am an influencer, so I do get a ton of shit sent to me, which I'm so grateful for, but it's so nice to have a spot to just put all the clutter away. The last thing to show you is my bathroom. This is what it looks like. I put this up here. I have all my robes and towels on here. Same of all this, and then I cleaned up this sort of thing. Yeah, I just had to take my medication. I cleaned up this area because I didn't like having all my products out and I wanted it to look more aesthetically pleasing. Got some super nice soap from L'Occitane, which is a great way to treat yourself. And these are my little skincare shelves that I use. Very functional and very aesthetically pleasing. And then my skincare stuff is also in here and full all the way in here too. So lots of storage. I do think I'll grow out of this place soon, simply due to influencing and getting sent a lot of stuff and needing to have a lot of clothes, but I love the building. I love it so much, so I do want to stay and make it work for as long as possible. But that is my updated apartment tour. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more apartment. Every single thing you see here, if it's linkable, will be linked down below, so check that out. And don't forget to have a fabulous day, and you are too smart to not love yourself.